Cross Cultures 4E. Exercise 1, page 49.
Volunteering. The Peace River Refuge and Ranch in Florida is a sanctuary. It provides permanent homes for a range of abused and unwanted animals, from big cats such as tigers and leopards to wolves and primates. The sanctuary regularly accepts holiday volunteers who want to help care for and protect these exotic animals. Students in the field of animal conservation learn how to care for wild animals, while other volunteers can help to prepare food for the animals or help with the maintenance of the refuge. The Snow Leopard Fund, SLF, works to save the beautiful snow leopards of the southern Altai Mountains in Kazakhstan. These ghosts of the mountains are a symbol of Kazakhstan's national pride, but they are rarely seen and critically endangered. The SLF operates in Katon-Karagay National Park, where they have 50 photo traps that snap pictures of snow leopards in the wild without disturbing them. Volunteers check the cameras and also raise awareness in local schools and communities about how to conserve the snow leopard and its natural habitat.